Zags in this bag of this weed. It gives me the shit needed to be the most meanest MC on this earth. And since birth I've been cursed with this curse to just curse and just blurt this berserk and bizarre shit that works. And it sells and it helps in itself to relieve all this tension, dispensing these sentences, getting the stress that's been eating me recently off of this chest. And I rest again peacefully. But at least have the decency in you to leave me alone when you freaks see me.
Who would you like to thank?
Well, I'd like to thank Factory Honda for hooking me up with this fine machine that's race ready. Factory. And 100% for these goggles. They're 100% awesome. And they're 100% kick your ass. So good to see you.
Out in the streets when I'm eating or feeding my daughter to not come and speak to me.
So let's go through your normal practice routine.
Well, the start is key. You get that start, and you've done half the job. It's twice as easy from there on. You get that, that start.
I don't know you and no, I don't owe you a motherfucking thing. I'm not Mr. Instinct, I'm not what your friends think. I'm not Mr. Friendly, I can be a brick. If you tip me, my tank is on empty. No patience is in me, and if you offend me, I'm lifting you 10 feet.
So what else goes into a training day?
What else? Well, I have a lot of secrets. I'll give you one. One of the most important things when it comes to riding a motorcycle is stability. Let me tell you, there is nothing more stable you can do than ride down the street. So we just ride down the street all day long, practice stability. When it comes to a rough track, if you know how to stay stable on that street, you just apply the same things to, bumps and ruts, stuff, you'll be fine. That's all there is to it.
I don't care who was there and who saw me, just saw you, will call you a lawyer, file you a lawsuit, I'll smile in the courtroom and buy you a wardrobe. I'm tired of all you. I don't mean to be mean, but that's all I can be. It's just me and I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, wow.
And jumps are key. We've got this huge training double that I can just pull as far as I want to. And right now it's farther than I've ever gone. So that's what helps me probably more than anything. I know it's not no Guinness Book of World Records record, but it's got to be some type of Honda class record.
Say I am in the paper, the news every day I am. Radio won't even play my jam, 'cause I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news every day I am. I don't know, it's just the way I am.
What are you doing, man?
I'm getting your bike prepped for race day.
Awesome.
There's never too much chain loop.
Happiness, been attacking them 'cause I rap this way. But I'm glad 'cause they feed me the fuel that I need for the fire to burn. And it's burning and I to return. And I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news every day I am. Radio won't even play my jam 'cause I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news every day